We often overlook space. It's just there, empty, waiting to be filled. But space is a resource, like oil, like water, like time. And just like those resources, it can be managed well or it can be managed poorly. Think of a bustling Amazon warehouse, shelves stacked high, products moving constantly, forklifts weaving through narrow aisles. Every inch matters. Wasted space means wasted money. It means lost efficiency. It can even mean the difference between profit and loss. Space management isn't just about warehouses. It's about hospitals. It's about retail stores. It's about factories. It's about any place where physical objects need to be stored and moved. It's about optimizing the flow of goods. It's about minimizing waste. It's about making the most of a finite resource. Imagine a hospital emergency room. Patients arrive constantly. Doctors and nurses rush to treat them. Space is tight. Equipment needs to be accessible. Every second counts. This is space management at its most critical. Or picture a bustling automobile factory. Parts move along assembly lines. Robots weld and assemble. Space is carefully choreographed. Every movement must be precise. Waste must be minimized. This is space management for efficiency. Even a seemingly simple retail store presents complex space management challenges. Shelves need to be stocked, aisles need to be clear, customers need to find what they need quickly. The right product placement can mean the difference between a sale and a lost customer. For years, businesses have relied on conventional methods for space management. These methods are often manual. They involve measuring spaces. They involve analyzing layouts. They involve observing workflows. Imagine a team of engineers with tape measures and clipboards. They meticulously map out a warehouse. They calculate storage capacity. They analyze forklift traffic patterns. This is the traditional approach. It's time-consuming. It's labor-intensive. And it's often based on assumptions rather than hard data. Another common method is spreadsheet analysis. Data is collected, numbers are crunched, charts are created, but spreadsheets can only tell part of the story. They can't capture the dynamic nature of real-world environments. They can't easily account for variability and uncertainty. These traditional methods have their limitations. They provide a static snapshot of a dynamic system. They lack the flexibility to test different scenarios, and they often fail to capture the complexity of real-world space management challenges. Enter simulation, a powerful tool that's transforming how we manage space. Simulation allows us to create virtual models of real-world environments. We can experiment, we can test different scenarios, we can optimize layouts without disrupting actual operations. Imagine a virtual replica of that Amazon warehouse. We can simulate the flow of goods, we can experiment with different shelving configurations, we can test new forklift routes, all without moving a single box in the real warehouse. Or consider that hospital emergency room. We can simulate patient arrival patterns. We can test different staffing levels. We can optimize the placement of equipment. We can improve patient flow and reduce wait times. Simulation offers a level of flexibility and insight that traditional methods simply can't match. It's like having a crystal ball that lets us see into the future of our space utilization. The benefits of simulation are clear: improved efficiency, reduced costs, better decision-making. Simulation empowers businesses to make smarter use of their space. It allows them to respond more effectively to changing demands. It gives them a competitive edge in today's complex business world. But simulation is just one piece of the puzzle. In our next exploration, we'll delve into the world of inventory management. We'll discover how simulation can help businesses optimize their stock levels. We'll explore how it can reduce waste. And we'll see how it can improve customer satisfaction. Stay tuned for an insightful journey into the realm of inventory and its profound impact on business operations. You might be wondering, how can I apply simulation in my own business? What kind of software do I need? Is it expensive? These are all valid questions, and we'll address them in detail in our upcoming articles and guides. We'll provide practical tips, we'll showcase real-world examples, and we'll help you unlock the power of simulation for your own space management challenges. Because efficient space management is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for any business that wants to thrive in the 21st century.